The earth appears very huge with numerous states, billions of people, faiths and ideologies. The earth actually is very small, smaller than any guess. We are taking you to the journey of the vastness of the universe. As we distance from the earth and the solar system, our journey will go on disappearing into the past. We will take you to that point of the earth and the skies where this entire game had begun. We will find many points on the way the most of us perhaps never have imagined of. We will find out whether our lookalikes exist anywhere in the universe. In this journey, we will also meet those at millions miles away from us but speaks our languages. Yes, really you will see it speaking our languages because it falls in this very journey of ours. In this journey, we will also see the planets, they may be our future dwellings. I'm Waqar and the universe has brought you a brand new series, The Whole Universe. You will have the first flight with us today on this fabulous journey. Our journey will start from our first station 384 million kilometers away because it is the nearest place we can land on. It is the moon. It is the nearest heavenly body to the earth, so near that a spacecraft can take us there in 3 to 4 days. But so distant that all planets, the earth and the moon can be accommodated in this gap. As many as 30 earths can be put in this distance. This round-shaped stone has been the most beautiful dreams of man over the millions of years. In our childhood, an old lady on the moon was weaving on a spindle. But no lady was found when Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin landed on the moon on July 24, 1979. Rather, the following 6 missions to the moon also did not find any. Thus, science took away from us a beautiful story of ancient times. Japanese has a story in the curriculum of school children till the last century, that a weak and old man wrapped in a sheet was burning woods in a jungle. He spotted something in the bushes. Here a jackal, a rabbit and a monkey were playing together. Something struck in the mind of the old man, so he called them for fetching anything to eat, or he would die without food. The monkey jumped to a stream and brought a fish. The silly and lazy jackal just caught a lizard and put it before the old man. The rabbit had the worst as he failed to get anything to feed the hungry man. But showing extreme humbleness, the rabbit presented itself to the old man to eat. The rabbit said, "Oh, good old man, I got nothing, so you eat me to satisfy your hunger." So the rabbit jumped into fire. The old man removed the sheet on his body as soon as the rabbit jumped. He at once took the rabbit out of the fire and said he was not helpless and hungry but Saka, the god of skies. In this jungle he was moving in disguise to test the people on the earth. It goes that Saka affixed the image of the rabbit on the moon to reward it for its sacrifice, so that it remains an example of virtue till end of the world. This and like these stories are popular all over the world. Even to date, the people shy of research and investigation believe in such tales. Still, a large number of people imagines face of the moon as per its choice. But what image is this in fact? It is not an image at all. Factually, it is lava and ashes spread all over the moon. The team of Neil Armstrong 50 years ago had in fact brought pieces of the same lava from the moon. Research on the lava revealed the eruption of countless volcanoes on the moon 3.5 billion years ago. Their lava spread to thousands of miles. The congealed lava appears like spots from the earth. Scientists called it seas of the moon or Maria. They have named every sea like Sea of Knowledge, Sea of Crisis, Sea of Cloud, etc. The area of black marks that is much brighter on the moon may be called deserts. This in fact is the ashes that explosion of lava produced and fell on the hills like snow. When the sunlight sheds on the ashes, they reflect and illuminate the every direction. Neil Armstrong also happened to land on the same soft ashes on the moon. That is why his footprint was also clear and deep. Man had landed on the moon half a century ago, but his footprints on the moon are intact to date. They appear printed just a day ago. Do you know why it is so? The reason being the absence of air, cloud and rain on the moon, because the moon does not have circle of air and gases as we have on the earth, which means the moon does not have the atmosphere. For that matter, the human footprint on the moon will stay intact for millions or billions of years. But the question is whether humanity will be presented anywhere in this present form by that time, or the evolutionary process would have given it another shape. It may also be possible the warrior temperament of man had ended the humanity. One thing was certain, whether man exists or not, his footprints would be stay on the moon for countless ages. But it was not only the footprints of Neil Armstrong that would remain on the moon for good. Here the footprint of another 12 astronauts would also stay intact. They had landed on the moon after Apollo 11 through Apollo 12, 13, 15, 14, 16 and 17. The moon also bears the footprints of golfer Shepard Smashes when had played the golf on the lunar surface. The moon will also bear the prints of lunar vehicles for innumerable ages. But a name also goes with them all. Well dear, did you know a person had printed the name of a beautiful girl on the moon? If you are interested in it and you want it, then in our next video will come in the next week, so wait till then. And if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel.